50 Ford F47. We put a power steering rack kit in. Now this kit does come with a pump that mounts to the old flathead and brackets and lines. The kit is really unique. It mounts to the I-beam. It comes with all the brackets, comes with the tie rods. You remove the lower part of the off of the kingpin spindle and you mount these brackets right here. And it comes with the tie rods, comes with the steering shaft. The steering shaft goes up and you cut the steering column and you put the collapsible steering shaft in with a U-joint at the top and a U-joint at the bottom. That all comes in the kit. Again, from Western Chassis, we made our own little bracket up right here. It goes to the bottom of the floor of the truck and mounts that. We actually used a piece of the old steering box and bolted it in there. You can see the new bolts. So it's using the original steering column. Probably one of the neatest steering kits I've ever seen for one of these trucks. We had to drop the exhaust to get it on. We've got a little exhaust modification to get it to clear the rack. But here's the company Western Chassis, and there's the power steering pump and the brackets, all designed for the Flathead 8. Ricky Ratchets signing off.